So I keep having random misfires, and I did everything I possibly know about random misfires. I changed the spark plugs, the coils. I even changed my fuel pressure regulator, wherever the fuck it's called. I just keep having random misfires. I don't know what it's about. So any tips I'll take. Please let me know.